Are you looking for the best tower garden in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best tower garden. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the 4-fort vertical raised garden bed. While many tower project designs are somewhat circular to maximize space, the 4FT raised bed takes a horizontal approach. This makes it ideal for sitting with the back against a wall. This makes for easy garden plants access. It is more suited for small plants, herbs, and vegetables that grow well together in each pot. While the design is simple, the drainage let the system down and was seen as one of the main complaints from users. It offers cascading watering, but all the drainage holes are on one end so the far ends of the plastic tubs don't receive water. There is, unfortunately, no way to turn these around.
Moving on at number 4, we have the Aerospring Indoor Hydroponic System. This is a unique product, the most versatile tower garden on this list, and unlike the two products above, it's an aeroponic gardening system. At 10 feet, it takes a little more space than each of the previous options, but that isn't too much to deal with, especially as it can hold up to 27 plants. So get your seeds growing. If you hardly have any outdoor space for growing a garden, then Aerospring would make a good choice since it is designed for both indoor and outdoor use. Many gardeners have to wait for favorable months to grow their plants. But with Aerospring, you can grow plants all year round. It comes with an indoor accessory kit and professional LED lights to keep the plants healthy regardless of the weather. The indoor accessory kit consists of a transparent tent that keeps your plants protected. It also comes with an automatic watering system to keep your plants fresh all day long. You can control both the lighting and irrigation systems with a mobile app. It is one of the most comfortable garden towers that I have seen. Besides, you can move it around anywhere you want indoors since it has a wheelbase. I love this 2-in-1 gardening system because it is smart, versatile, and convenient to use.
At number 3, we have the Rainwater Terrace water butt. We love everything with a dual purpose. We love it even more if it saves us on utility bills. Enter Rainwater Terrace. The Rainwater Terrace water butt doubles as a 200-liter rainwater storage bin. Plus, it uses gravity to move the water around. No electricity required. So how does this off-grid tower garden alternative work? It connects to your rainwater downspout. Instead of the water pouring down the drain, it diverts into the water bins through the tubings provided. The main structure is actually a giant water tank. Where do the plants fit in? The planters go on the sides and top of the last tier. They're detachable with a special capillary mat that you put in the bottom of each box. The mat has a wick that dips into the main water bin. It soaks up water for your plants to use. There aren't any fancy nutritional mixes here. You'll need regular potting mix and compost to provide nutrients to your plants. But, since it doesn't require electricity to power its automatic watering system, you can use those savings for your plants. And oh, this tower garden alternative stores and circulates rainwater so that you can reduce water usage too. At number 2, we have the Mr. Stacky Smart Farm. Stacked quad pots are popular to maximize space. So what sets each one apart? It's the growing medium, tank size, and nutritional mix. Mr. Stacky uses a cocoa peat growing medium for a faster growth rate without minimizing nutrients. This medium boasts antifungal properties, which keeps the roots happy. It can repel some pests, meaning your growth is easier to maintain. You don't need to worry about plant diseases or needing pesticides to keep your plants growing healthy. Plus, Coco Noir is very sustainable, saving you time and effort germinating and transferring your plants as its soil-growing medium. Plus, the entire vertical system is intuitive and beginner-friendly for aspiring indoor gardeners that are new to the world of the hydroponic system. As for maintenance, Mr. Stacky can basically take care of itself and your plants. It has an automatic timer for watering. And the 16-gallon tank means you only need to refill every 2 to 3 weeks. You can go on a long vacation and come home to green plants that are still alive. If you time it right, they may be ready to eat too. And finally at number 1. We have the Grow Up Hydrogarden Kickstarter Pack. Here's a garden tower system like the ever-popular Tower Garden by Juice Plus. The Grow Up Hydrogarden can also grow 20 plants but costs about half the price. It looks like the Easy Grow system, right? But with a way bigger reservoir and no timer. Water constantly flows like a fountain. But doesn't that overwater the plants? No, it doesn't. The medium used here is grow stones, which drains better. 1. It actually extends the water and nutrient supply since it constantly recirculates. But the downside of grow stones is that you can't sow seeds. You have to germinate them separately and then transfer them into the system. Since it's bigger, it needs more space, 4 square feet to be exact. But that's still a small amount of space, considering you can grow over a dozen different plants, herbs, and crops at the same time. Plus, this system grows food faster because of the efficient watering system. You can harvest tasty tomatoes in as early as 6 weeks. Cool, right? Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.